Hello friends and my dear students. Now we are going to prove some properties of matrices. This part is very important for first year engineering semester 1 students. So property number 1, every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. To prove this property, we have to consider a square matrix A. Okay, this matrix can be written as half of A plus half of A. Half A plus half A, that is 1A. Let us add half of A dash in the same and subtract half of A dash. Then again matrix remains same. Now we are collecting this and this, then this part and this. Okay, this becomes, this is equal to, we can write half of A plus A dash plus half of, taking half common, half of A minus A dash, and which is equal to P plus Q. This becomes P plus Q, where P and Q are two matrices. Okay, sum of two matrices. One will be symmetric matrix and another one will be skew symmetric matrix. Let us assume P is equal to half of A plus A dash, this matrix. Okay, then P dash will be, this is equal to half A plus A dash, its transpose. This is equal to, half is coefficient. Now A plus A dash, its transpose. This can be written as half of A dash, okay, A dash plus A dash and its transpose. Okay, now A dash, as it is A dash dash, means transpose of transposed matrix, that is matrix A itself. So this is equal to half of A dash plus A, and this can be written as half of, at first position take A plus, and at second position A dash, which is nothing but P. This implies P dash is equal to P. Okay, and this is property of symmetric matrices. This implies P is symmetric matrix. P is symmetric matrix. Now we have to take another matrix, that is Q. Q is equal to, we are assuming Q is equal to half of A minus A dash. Okay, now find transpose of this matrix. Q dash is equal to 1 upon 2 A minus A dash and transpose of this. This is equal to 1 upon 2 is taken common, which is constant coefficient. Then A minus A dash, its transpose, which is equal to half of A dash minus A dash dash. Again, A dash dash is A. Okay, so this is equal to half of A dash minus A. But we want A at first position, so take minus sign common, and then we can write minus 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. This implies minus 1 by 2 A minus A dash is Q. So this is equal to minus Q. Here we have proved Q dash is equal to minus Q. And this is property of skew symmetric matrix. This implies Q is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. we have proved first part of this theorem, that is step number 1 you can say, or okay, just write here step 1, first step. And let us start step number 2. That is, in step number 2 we have to prove uniqueness. Step 2, to prove uniqueness, unique expression, to prove uniqueness. To prove uniqueness, what we have to do? Let A is equal to sum of another two square matrices that are R and S, where R is suppose symmetric matrix, where R is symmetric matrix. If R is symmetric matrix, then R dash is equal to R, and S is suppose skew symmetric matrix. S is skew symmetric matrix, and because of S skew symmetric matrix, S dash is equal to, we can write minus S. Okay, A is R plus S, then what will be A dash? A dash is equal to R plus S, its transpose, that is equal to R dash plus S dash. But you know R dash is equal to R and S dash is equal to minus S. So this becomes A dash is equal to R minus S. Now P is, in step number 1, P we have taken half of A plus A dash. Now A and A dash in terms of R and S, that are given. A is R plus S, put here, plus A dash is R minus S, R minus S. Here S and S gets cancelled, remains 2R, 1 upon 2, 2R, and this is equal to R. P is equal to R. We have proved P is equal to R. Means R is suppose symmetric matrix, then P is symmetric matrix. And then we have to take Q is equal to, Q is taken as half of A minus A dash. Okay, that is half of A and A dash in terms of R and S, that is A is R plus S. Okay, minus A dash is R minus S, that becomes minus R plus S, and which is equal to 1 upon 2. Here plus R minus R gets cancelled, remains S plus S, that is 2S. 2 gets cancelled, remains S. Hence we have proved Q is equal to S. In this way, this gives uniqueness of that express the form of matrix A, that is A is equal to P plus Q is equal to R plus S. This is proof of uniqueness. Okay, let us solve problem on the same property. Let us solve this sum. Express the matrix A as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Matrix A is square matrix, and this square matrix we have to express as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, A is given. Let us find A dash. A dash is equal to transpose of matrix A. First column becomes first row, that is 1, 4, 7. Second column becomes second row, that is 2, 5, 8. Third column becomes third row, 3, 6, 9. Okay, let us find A plus A dash and A minus A dash. Okay, A plus A dash and A minus A dash. A plus A dash is equal to sum of two matrices, that is nothing but addition of corresponding elements. 1 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 7 plus 3, 10. 2 plus 4, 6. 5 plus 5, 10. 8 plus 6, 14. 3 plus 7, 10. Then 6 plus 8, 14. And 9 plus 9, 18. This is A plus A dash. Now we have to find out A minus A dash. A minus A dash is equal to, subtract transpose of A from matrix A. That gives 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 3, 4. Then 2 minus 4, minus 2. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6, 2. Then 3 minus 7, minus 4. 6 minus 8, minus 2. And 9 minus 9, 0. This is A minus A dash. Now find half of A plus A dash. Half of A plus A dash. This is equal to, divide each element of this matrix by 2. Then 2 by 2, 1, 3, 5. Then 3, 5, 7. 5, 7, 9. Similarly, find half of A minus A dash. Half of A minus A dash. So divide each element of this matrix by 2. Then 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0. You can see here, this element lies in first row, second column, and which is equal to element lying in first column, second row. This element lying in first row, third column, same element here, first column, third row. This element lying in second row, third column, and this element lying in second column, third row. These elements are equal, these elements are equal, these elements are equal. And so this satisfies the conditions of symmetric matrices. And see here, in this case, half of A minus A dash, all diagonal elements are 0. This is condition of skew symmetric matrices. And non-diagonal elements are, this is 1, then this is minus 1. This is 2, then this is minus 2. This is 1, this is minus 1. Aij is equal to minus Agi in this case, and Aij is equal to Agi in this case. This satisfies condition of skew symmetric matrices. This is symmetric matrix. Consider this as P. This is equal to P suppose, and this is equal to Q suppose. Then P is, this is symmetric matrix, is symmetric matrix. And what about Q? Q satisfies the condition of skew symmetric matrices. So Q is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Hence, A can be expressed as A is equal to P plus Q, where P is symmetric matrix and Q is skew symmetric matrix. In this way, every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, this is property number 1, proof, its proof, and one problem on that property. Let us stop here. Thank you all. Thank you.